Okay, so people are literally making $80,000 a month by helping strangers fall asleep on the internet.
Stop the cap.
No, I'm not talking about ASMR whisper videos where someone taps on a pickle jar for 3 hours, though honestly, respect to those creators. I'm talking about something way easier, and frankly, kind of genius. What if I told you the entire hustle runs on free AI tools, requires 0 employees, and channels are hitting monetization in like weeks? I know what you're thinking.
This sounds like one of those clickbait make money online scams where I end up selling essential oils to my family.
But hold on, because unlike your cousin's cryptocurrency course, this is actually real. Channels are hitting monetization faster than I can burn toast, and I've got the screenshots to prove it. So here's the business model. Long-form AI-narrated videos on niche topics. Think 2-hour deep dive into medieval blacksmithing techniques narrated by the smoothest robot voice you've ever heard. People play these while falling asleep or doing laundry or pretending to be productive. And here's where it gets wild. Look at this channel. Less than 4 months old, already pulling 3.8 million views per month. Another one? Started 8 months ago, hit 11 million monthly views after 1 month. Now, I'm not great at math, but even I can tell that's a lot of money. YouTube's average RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, sits around $3 to $8. So $11 million views, that's potentially $33,000 to $88,000 per month. For videos that are basically PowerPoint presentations with a chill voiceover. But wait, it gets dumber. I mean, better. One creator in the gaming lore niche shared his earnings, $10,000 in 3 months from 472,000 views. That's over $21 per $1,000 views, because long videos equals more mid-roll ads equals more money. So yeah, if you've ever wanted to monetize your Wikipedia rabbit holes, this might be your calling. Here's where most people mess up. They see Bible facts to sleep to getting millions of views, so they make another Bible facts video, and then it gets buried under 47 other identical videos uploaded that same day. Cool strategy, guys. Really innovative. Instead, we're going to use Gemini, Google's free AI, to find untapped subniches. Since Google owns YouTube, Gemini can literally search YouTube data for you. Here's what you do. Ask Gemini to find popular subniches within your main topic that are getting at least 500K views. For example, I asked about Bible content, and it suggested Bible archaeology, so I searched YouTube for relaxing Bible archaeology facts to sleep to with filters set to videos over 20 minutes uploaded recently. Result? 0 videos. None. Nada. That's a gap in the market, baby. Bible content is popular, archaeology content is popular, sleepy videos are popular, but no one has combined them yet. I did this for psychology topics too. Gemini found that psychology of learning skills fast was blowing up. Millions of views, but 0 sleepy videos on it. Boom.
Damn, that's pretty real estate.
All right, now we need a script. But we're not writing 20,000 words ourselves like some kind of medieval scribe. We're using 3 free AI tools like it's 2026 and we have taste. Tool number 1, Perplexity. This is an AI search engine that actually cites its sources, which means way fewer hallucinations. I asked it for 10 interesting facts about my topic. Then I asked for 10 more. Then kept going until I had 100 facts. Took maybe 20 minutes. The free version works fine for this. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. Exported my 100 facts as a document file, uploaded it to ChatGPT, and told it, reorder these facts so they flow like a story, not a random Wikipedia page. ChatGPT is weirdly good at organizing data without getting confused. It's like that friend who color codes their closet by season, intense but effective. Tool number 3, Claude. Now here's the secret sauce. Claude writes more naturally than ChatGPT. I'm serious. Side-by-side tests prove it. I gave Claude context about my video, then fed it the first 10 reordered facts, and said, write a 12-15 minute engaging script segment. And it did. Beautifully. Then I just kept feeding it facts in batches of 10, and Claude kept generating script segments. The whole process took under an hour. Copy paste everything into Google Docs, save it, and boom, you've got a 2+ hour script without typing a single original sentence. Now you need visuals. Good news, you don't need many. I watched a viral video with 1.3 million views that cycled through 28 images every 8 minutes. Another one with 2.2 million views used 3 images for a 2-hour video. 3 images. So yeah, don't stress about making 400 graphics. I used Leonardo AI because, number 1, free daily credits. Number 2, no watermarks on free images. Number 3, commercial use allowed. And number 4, it doesn't make you feel like you're robbing an art student. Just create an account, select widescreen format, describe your image, and let it generate 4 variations. Download them all. Done. You could also use Midjourney if you're fancy, but we're keeping this free. Here's where you pick your fighter. Option 1. Clipchamp. 100% free. Microsoft's video editor has a hidden text-to-speech feature. Create an account, start a blank project, hit record then text-to-speech, choose a voice, paste your script in chunks, export as audio. Downside, you have to do it in segments, so it's slow for a 2-hour video. Option 2. CapCut. $10 a month, but there's a 7-day trial. CapCut Pro has amazing AI voices. Upload your script, 10,000 characters at a time, about 10 minutes, filter for commercial use voices, adjust speed and pitch, generate, download. Better quality than Clipchamp, still kinda slow. Option 3. 11 Labs. Paid, but fast. This is the gold standard. Upload your entire script, pick a voice from their meditative section, hit export, and grab a coffee. It generated my 2-hour 46-minute script in 11 minutes. Free trial available, but you need a paid plan for commercial licensing if you're monetizing. I used 11 Labs because I value my time and sanity. Your call. Use any video editor that handles long exports. I used CapCut Desktop, but DaVinci Resolve, which is free, or Adobe Premiere work too. Here's the process. First, upload your voiceover to the timeline. Second, add your AI images and extend them to play for 15-20 seconds each. Third, add transitions between images. Drag and drop, super easy. Fourth, apply filters to add subtle motion to static images. Fifth, download royalty-free music from Pixabay. Avoid tracks with the fingerprint symbol, those let other creators claim your ad revenue. Sixth, lower the music volume so it's chill background vibes. And seventh, export in H.264 if possible for smaller file size. I made an 8-minute slideshow loop with 24 images, transitions, and filters. Copied the loop throughout the video. Took maybe an hour. And that's it. You're done.
Picture this. No capital city, no temple, no palace. Just a collection of tribes scattered across the hill country of Canaan, loosely bound by shared stories, a common god, and the memory of deliverance from Egypt.
Look, is this a get-rich-quick scheme? No. Will every channel blow up? Also no. YouTube is unpredictable, some videos pop off, some flop harder than my attempt at sourdough during lockdown. But here's what I do know. The barrier to entry is stupid low. People genuinely want this content. Channels ARE getting monetized fast. And the earning potential is real. One creator made $10 in 3 months. Another estimated $650K in 6 months. Even if you make a fraction of that, it's still pretty wild for a one-person operation using free tools. Plus, you're not selling anything shady. You're just helping people relax. That's wholesome. Your grandma would be proud. So yeah, that's the AI sleepy video business. Is it weird that robots are now tucking people into bed with facts about medieval grain storage? Absolutely. Is it weirdly profitable? Also yes. If you want to try this, start small. Pick a niche you're actually interested in. Trust me, it'll make the process way less painful. Test a few videos. See what sticks. And hey, if you end up making $80K a month talking about ancient pottery techniques, remember who sent you. Now go forth and monetize people's insomnia. You've got this.